Find or read reviews that most people are talking of XDS Portable Ice Maker for countertop. It is recommended that you do not buy until you have read and studied features or details. Until you are sure really that useful for you. Features highlight or overview summary are include. This ice maker only takes 6 to 8 minutes to make 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes. Fill 1.5 liters of water into the water tank, maximum ice capacity can reach 27 pounds in 24 hours. You can also see the ice making process through the transparent lid. There are 2 ice cube sizes for your choice. Small ice cubes can chill seafood and beer, keeping it fresh and cold. Large ice cubes are more suitable for beverages to achieve a rapid cooling effect. With a portable and compact design measuring 8.5 x 12.2 x 11.4 inches, our countertop ice maker is easy to carry and operate. Whenever and wherever you are, ice is there. You can use it for kitchen, office, bar, camping, or RV. The noise is lower than 35 decibels. This ice maker has the advanced infrared sensor technology. When the ice basket is full, the ice maker will stop ice making to prevent ice from overflowing. When the water is insufficient, the indicator also reminds you to replenish water in time. You only need to press the on/off button for 5 seconds to activate the ice maker's self-cleaning function. It would be better to add water and vinegar, or citric acid, ratio 10:1, for cleaning. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.